What are you putting on this green machine, bub?
Bull snot.
Bull
The best
snot.
ever. You
Hey.
can't go wrong with bull snot.
Dude.
It's the best out there.
I love it. I love it, man. I love your truck too.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. What about these fender wells? Tell me about these fenders.
They're made to be like an Indian motorcycle.
Yeah. Look like a chief. That's what they call you, chief?
No, they call me show truck.
Come on. Well, understandably so. Check this unit out. Little moral on the back, moral, or I don't know if I said it right, but it's awesome. Got your own flag, man.
That's my work truck there. Hoffman Transportation. We're actually 3-time Heil Award winners for the National Tank Truck Committee.
Dude, that is awesome. That's a pink inside.
It's got real hand-cut hardwood floors in it.
I love all the oak. Looks like suede. Is that a suede interior or just?
Just carpet, old school. Went old school with it. Best thing about the truck and those floors, there's a hand-cut Peterbilt emblem up in there. So when you get around the other side, you hop up in there and take a look at it.
Let's look. Let's go. Let's check this thing out. Does the truck have a name?
It's called Showtime.
Showtime.
I'll let you do it. Hop up in there, and then right in front of the bed on the floor, you'll be able to see it.
And that's all wood.
Yes, sir.
That is some true craftsmanship. Check out this wood handle.
The inside's made to look like an old 70s RV. There's actually a TV VCR combo in there.
You guys seen it here. This is Showtime with the master woodworking and Indian rear fenders. You loaded right now?
No, it's empty.
Got you. What are you mostly hauling there?
Little plastic pellets for induction molding and everything like that.
Okay. Got you. Oh, man.
And I'll shut the hood for you, but the front's made to look like a 34 Duesenberg.
I love it.
Been narrowed and chopped.
It looks great.
Just go with that old school look.
What year model was it?
It's a 2000.
2000 model?
379, and you'll probably never see that as the real license plate for it.
Oh, wow. What state?
Illinois.
Illinois. If you see the license plate 379, Showtime's got it.
I appreciate you coming out.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate you coming out and showing the world your wonderful truck. And hey, if you guys need truck parking, go to truckparkingclub.com. Catch you another day, another way.